Everyone's telling you Forex can make you rich fast. But here's the harsh truth. Most traders never make it, and it's not just about strategy. In this video, I'll reveal why 95% fail and how you can avoid being one of them.
I did it. I did it. I turned 100 into the mill. Nobody believed in me? Well, I did it.
The internet is filled with Lambos, luxury, and fake flexes. Flip $100 into $10,000 in a week? That's a lie. Real Forex trading is a marathon, not a lottery. You're competing against banks, hedge funds, and algorithms, not just other beginners.
Bro, 3 fucking months turning $100 into $1 million.
95% of retail traders lose money. Why? They overleverage, chase quick profits, ignore risk management, trade emotionally, not logically. Most don't even survive 3 months. Because the truth is, Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill.
Anyone starting trading is going to lose money for several years. You're looking for a career that pays a lot of money. Everyone trading wants to make a lot of money. You're competing against extremely smart people, and it's essentially a zero-sum game. So you're trying to take money from really, really smart people who are trying to take money from you. And when you start out, they're going to win. You're going to lose money. And but if you have the discipline and you're careful and you learn how to be objective and you try not to be greedy and you use stops, you use profit targets, I believe it's something that you can do.
Want to actually grow in Forex? Learn risk control. Focus on small, consistent gains. Let AI tools assist, but don't rely blindly. Discipline beats hype. Real traders build slowly but surely. Get rich quick will get you broke quicker. So, will you be part of the 5% who make it? Or will you chase the dream and fall into the trap? Drop Real Trader in the comments if you're in this for the long haul. Subscribe for no BS Forex truths. New videos every Thursday and Sunday.